In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to mark an invoice as paid inside of FreshBooks. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up FreshBooks like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to invoices and go down to your invoice that you have created. Then from here you need to click on it and go up to more actions. Then from here you can see something called add a payment. And if you click on that, you can see here the payment amount, the payment date, and you can select a payment method down here, and you can choose between all of these options down here. Up here you can also select a payment amount. You can select $5 for example, and a payment note if you want to do that. You can also go down here and send client a payment notification mail if you want to do that. But when you're done, you simply need to click add payment. And as you can see here, the amount date has been updated to $5. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!